Considering a low-maintenance deck this year? Check out Tanzite STONEDECKS. It is DIY friendly, so anyone who can build a deck can build a Tanzite stone deck. Whether it's on the ground or 20 feet in the air, Tanzite stone is light enough to resurface your existing deck or build new with a standard deck frame covered with the waterproofing membrane. Then simply lay down the stones. No mortar needed. Tanzite stone doesn't scratch, so you won't worry about dogs running across the deck. Tanzite stone is also non-slip, even when wet. The durability of stone guarantees your deck will look amazing for a lifetime. Ordering a deck package online is simple. Go to Tanzite.com, and with your deck dimensions, we will create a 3D deck design along with a list of materials. Then place your order, and we will ship your stone deck as a complete package anywhere in America. Visit Tanzite.com to see why a stone deck is the best deck.